Hey, chefs. Welcome back to Auntie Nina's Kitchen. Welcome. New subscribers, old subscribers, welcome everybody. Today we're going to be doing some brown stew fish with some bami crackers. We have some okra, some carrots, and some Irish potato. So guys, follow me into the kitchen. First thing I'm going to be doing is to season my fish. And you know, guys, I only use salt and black pepper. So follow me into the kitchen. Okay, chef, so you know I put a little slice on the side of my fish. And these are snapper. They call them Saint snapper. I don't really know the difference. I know the difference between it and the yellowtail, but we prepare them basically the same way. So first thing I'm doing is to just give it a little slice to get my season to go in and taste good inside of the fish. You know, guys, I already clean up my fish like really nice. I use a lot of lemon and some vinegar to wash, because you know fish can be raw. Some people don't like fish because of the scent, but if you clean up your fish properly, you're good to go. Just make sure you clean that inside part that I always say, that bloody part, that line of blood that's inside the fish. It's normally right here, guys. Make sure you get a toothbrush and just brush it all out. Get that fish smelling so good. So guys, this is just black pepper and salt, half and half. It's good. Meaning if you use 2 teaspoons of salt, you use 2 teaspoons of black pepper. And we just go ahead and coat the fish inside and outside in the little slice, in the head, for those who love the head and you like it to be very flavorful. So that's how I'm doing mine. Okay, chef, so this is my Chrissy Teigen pot. I try to get a frying pan from Jamaica, but I didn't get it. But I try to get the best to use in, you know, our Dutchy pot in Jamaica. It fries everything different. But this is good, so I'm trying it out. So I'm preheating my pot. I'm gonna put some oil, and then, you know, for brown stew fish, guys, you have to basically fry the fish, and then you make the sauce separate from the fish, and then you combine everything together. So guys, just watch my steps. First thing I'm gonna do is to fry the fish. You're not gonna fry them as firm as you would do your fried fish, your regular fried fish with SOV sauce. You're just gonna fry them enough to make sure that they are brown and nice before you put them into your brown stew sauce. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I do my sauce, okay? Just enough oil to cover the bottom of the pot. Okay, chefs, the beginning of the frying process. So we have come to the end of the frying process. Now we're going to put on our pot to go ahead with the sauce. I have a little bit of oil left in the frying pan. I'm going to pour it into the saucepan before I start. I'm just preheating the pot, then I'm going to put it in, then I'm going to add all my seasoning. So just give me a minute, guys. Okay, chef, so we're starting the process of the sauce. There's a little bit of oil, and I'm going to add my garlic and my scallion. Also adding my onions And I'm stir frying it for a little bit, guys. Okay, chef, so I saute my onion, my garlic, and my green scallion. I'm going to add my carrots I already chopped. Add in my okra. Add in my Irish potato. I always leave my Irish potato in a little bit of water because I don't want it to turn red or brown. I'm stirring everything together. I'm adding some ketchup and some mushroom soya sauce for color. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some water. After I add my water, I'm going to add myself some of my special Maggi seasoning. I'm also going to use some bell pepper and some hot pepper and some thyme, but I'm going to wait until it's halfway through the cooking process before I go ahead and add my bell pepper. I'm using 2 tablespoons of my Maggi seasoning. Okay, chef, so I combine my okra, my carrots, and my Irish potato. I put some ketchup, some mushroom soya sauce. I'm gonna wait until the vegetables are tender. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my bell pepper, my thyme, and my hot pepper. Then we're gonna add the fish, and then we're gonna add some bami and some crackers. So just wait on it, guys. Looking delicious. Look at it, guys. It's looking so delicious, and it's not even halfway done. Okay, chefs, while I'm waiting for my sauce to be ready, I'm going ahead and preparing my bami. If the bami is a little bit hard for you guys to cut, what you could do is just wet it with some water. And I'm cutting each of my bami in 6 pieces. So I cut it in 2, then I cut it in 2, then I cut it in 2. That's 6, guys, or that's 8? I think, guys, that's 8. I miscount. So we will have enough to share. So try it this way. Some people like to cut it in just half, but we're cutting it in 8. Okay, chef, so my okra, my Irish, and my carrot is almost completely cooked. So I'm going to go ahead and add my thyme and my bell peppers. You don't want the bell peppers to cook all the way out, so that's why I added it last. Add in my hot pepper. I cut up 2 hot pepper, guys, but I'm using like a half of each. So I'm using a half of the red and a half of the yellow. You know how we Jamaicans love pepper? And now I'm going to go ahead and lay my fish on top of my vegetables. How is that looking, chefs? Tell me how it's looking. After I lay my fish on top of my veg, what I do is just use a spoon and slightly bring the vegetable over, or the sauce over, onto the fish. We're not going to be cooking this for a very long process because the fish is already cooked. The vegetable is cooked. So we just kind of combine everything together. And now I'm going to add my bami and my my bami and my crackers. Okay, chef, so my fish is in. I use 7 fish because we have 6 mouths. So we leave 1 for like if anybody stop by, they could have a fish. And I'm using 3 bamis. And I'm using probably about a dozen crackers because whoever doesn't like the bami, then they can have crackers with theirs. So what I'm doing is laying my bami all over the top. And then I'm going to turn my fire down on low for the bami and the crackers to steam. We don't want them to overcook, like being too soft. So they're just going to be steaming up. But guys, this is it. This is it. Adding my crackers now. When we turn down, I'm going to show you the finished product. And then I'm going to plate, guys, and let you have a look at my brown stew fish. And make sure to comment and tell me what you like. And I have some videos to post of people who cook or tried some of my meals. And they send me photos. They're looking pretty good. So I think I'm doing a pretty good job of training our new chefs for the new generation. Okay, chefs. I am turning my bamis. I'm going to turn all my crackers. Leave it for another 5 minutes or no, like 2 minutes, guys. And then I'm going to turn the pot off. And then I'm going to show you my finished product. Okay, chef, so I just turned my pot off. Look at my fish. This is my big pot of brown stew fish. I'm gonna plate now, guys, and so you can see exactly what I did. It's tasting absolutely great. Remember now, if you're not cooking like the amount of fish that I'm cooking, because I did 7 fish, I did 3 bamis, and I did a dozen crackers. When you're doing 2 fish, you use less. But for the seasoning, like the salt and pepper, you know, it's half and half. But guys, anything at all you need, you can just hit me up. So good. Okay, chef, so we have come to the end of my brown stew fish dinner. Guys, this is tasting so delicious. I can't wait to get into it because I'm ready. I'm ready. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for all the love and thank you for all the support, guys. I really appreciate it. So remember to like, comment, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. Auntie Nina is still cooking and it's gonna be getting more and more delicious. So thank you, guys, and I'll see you on another video.